Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we got the basic understanding of another important predefined functional interface, that is consumer interface. We also learned its application and syntax. In case you have missed it, click on the I button mentioned on the top of your screen. Coming back to this video, in this video, we will see some more examples of consumer functional interface so that you can get a better understanding of the usage of consumers. So let's take a simple example. So suppose we have an employee class and we want to write a method that prints all the properties of the employee class. That is, I want to write a consumer to print the information of the employee. So let's try to implement this solution. Here I have a class display employee information which has a main method inside it. So let's assume I have an employee class with some properties, and also in this class I have a list of employee which I want to print. So I have a list of employees equals to new array list. I'll add some dummy objects to this employee, and now let me write a consumer that will accept the object of employee as the input, and it will print the properties of the employee. So let's write a consumer of employee that takes the employee object and print the properties onto the console. And lastly, what I'll do is I'll iterate over the list of employees and ask consumer to accept it. So let's see this code into the actions. So here for this example, we'll be taking the employee class that we used in our previous example also. So here we have some properties of the employee class and the constructor for the employee class, and then the getters and setter for all the properties of the employee class. So what we'll do here is we'll have a display employee information class that is having the main method inside it, and here I want to have the list of employees, and within this list I'll populate some dummy values. So let me add some values to the list. So here I have a list of employees. Now my task is to write a consumer that will take the employee and print all the properties of those employees. So let me do it right away. So I'll just add the import statement that will be needed. Java.util.function dot consumer. Also we'll be needing the list as we are working on the list. So a consumer that will print all the properties of employees will be returned as a consumer of employee display employee that takes employee and print all the properties of the employee. And at last we'll iterate over the list of employee, and for every employee we'll call the accept method. So let me just save this code. So let us compile all the code. So you can see all our employees are now printed onto the console. So this was it for today. In this video, we looked at some more examples on how we can use consumer effectively. In our upcoming video, we will learn about the default and static methods that are present in the consumer functional interface and how they are used for consumer chaining. So I hope you like this video. So do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, do connect us with the comment sections. Stay tuned for yet another videos on Java 8. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thank you for watching.